You are here to know, is dailyssalecom legit or not? Well, this must be a question when you are watching availability of Blackstone Griddle in such discounted prices. You can see this website is offering the product in really lesser price than the original brand prices. How can it be possible? Is dailyssalecom legit? Well, this website dailyssalecom has been created on 9th March 2022. And we can see that name, Alibaba, also in the details of this domain. In the Contact Us page, they have given some address in Shizhou City, Jiangsu Province. After seeing this, we will suggest to avoid this website. Don't jump for heavy discount. We have seen that several China-based websites are fraud. Yes, they are selling Blackstone Griddle in such discounted prices. Remember, heavy discount often leads to scams.